another problem. Let's begin by distributing on the left and right side of the equation. Our next line will now be 6x plus 2 minus 4x is greater than 2x plus 16 minus 5. On each side of the equation, we now have like terms that can be combined. And on the left, this gives us 2x plus 2. And on the right side of the inequality, we have 2x plus 11. We notice that each side has a 2x in it, and we begin by subtracting 2x off of each side. But there are no variables left, and all we have is 2 is greater than 11. This is a contradiction because 2 is never greater than 11, and so our solution set is the empty set. In this next inequality, we begin by distributing on the right-hand side of the equation. This gives us 2x minus 9 is less than 6x minus 6 minus 4x. And on the right side of the inequality, we have like terms which we can be combined together. We now have 2x minus 9 is less than 2x minus 6. And again, we have two x's that can be subtracted off of each side. This leaves us with negative 9 is less than negative 6. This is always true. And that tells us our solution is all real numbers. When we go to graph this solution set, basically we have the entire number line filled in and shaded, and I will draw in 0 as a reference point in the center. We don't have set builder notation because the set of all real numbers is a set in that notation that we use. And as far as interval notation, this is the interval from negative infinity to positive infinity.